everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all emails in Gmail at once. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete all the emails on your Gmail at once, then it's quite easy. Open up a web browser and type in the URL for your Gmail account, mail.google.com, and also make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Now, make sure that you're inside the inbox tab. Select one of the inbox type, for example, primary, promotions, or social. And if you want to delete all of the emails in this particular inbox at once, then you can simply click on this box at the top left right next to compose. You'll be able to see that it has selected 52 conversations on this page. If you want to select all of the conversation in this tab, click on select all 2054 conversations in social in my case. Simply give it a click and more inboxes will be clicked. Now click on the trash icon at the top of the screen and click on OK under confirm bulk action pop-up, and you'll be able to delete all of your inbox that you've selected at once on Gmail. If you want to remove more, then you can simply repeat the steps by clicking on the box at the top left, and doing this will select all of the inboxes from this page. Click the trash can icon at the top, and that way you should be able to delete all of the emails in a particular tab at once on Gmail. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.